EMA is not just a name. A person with a new idea is a crank until the idea succeeds. Innovation has no limits. The only limit is your imagination. God is a really nice artist. He just goes on trying other things. We are curious. Curiosity keeps leading us down new paths. Imagination is more important than knowledge. What do you think about creativity? (1979) is not just a number. 1979 is the year EMA was born to be a leading innovator. It's time for you to begin thinking out of the box. Start today. Start now.